Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add link in Instagram bio. So actually guys, all you need to do is to open up your Instagram app, and after that just go ahead and click on your profile that's located on the bottom right, and after you got to your profile you will need to tap on edit profile. So right now everyone, as you can see, you can add the link to your bio, but it will be unclickable. So I advise you everyone to go into the add link option just right here, tap on it, and after that go ahead and tap on add external link. And actually everybody, you will need to copy of course that link that you admire to add to your bio, and after that just go ahead and paste it. Right, so as you can see, I pasted the link that I admire to add to my bio, to my Instagram bio, and for the title, for example, you can type like my YouTube channel or for example channel, and after that just go ahead and save changes. Right, so as you can see everybody, it's already added to my bio and it's also clickable. So that's it everybody, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.